My name is Victor Moon, and my project is called FlameFender. So everyone knows that wildfires near LA are very serious and it's very disastrous, especially, for example, the post fire in California. So I think I have to do something about it. The purpose of my app is that in areas where there's not enough monitoring and personal alarm, once a fire is not detected in the early stage, it will become uncontrollable later on. So I want to detect the fire in the early stage and then prevent it from being disastrous. So the source of real-time fire data can be coming from satellite imagery or drones carrying cameras, and drones can also carry Raspberry Pi, which includes temperature and humidity sensor and other various data that is important for firefighters. So I built an app with using MIT App Inventor, and I would like to demonstrate it now.
Step is AI fire classification with a trained Google Teachable machine. And the Google Teachable machine knows to classify fires into 6 different levels: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 0 means the least dangerous fire, and 5 means the most dangerous fire. So what firefighters and other users can do is to just go around, and this will automatically scan the environment and then tell you what fire it is.
Okay, now I'm going to do a real demo on my tablet. Okay, so the second step is to identify humans and faces in the fire. And I'm going to use PostNet, which is an AI model that can detect key parts of the body. For example, okay, and this can save lives if people are in fire, and you can detect if there's somebody in the fire, and this can save their life. Next is AI recognition of procedures and help. So you can enter whatever to ChatGPT. For example, you can enter hello.
Hello. How can I assist you today?
Or you can speak your message. But in reality, people will enter what the fire level is. And I have also put here generally what happens when the fire level is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it makes it easier for firefighters to know what to do. And next, we have GPS and navigation. So you can have the address and the latitude and longitude. And I also included in here the Google Maps. So you can so firefighters can navigate. Firefighters can navigate from where they are into from their regular location to whatever else location where the user wants to be. Next, I have nearby fire department contact. And in here, I included local fire department phone numbers so that users can easily contact whoever. And then next, we have fire safety. And everybody should read this. And this is just a website from American Red Cross. And it is a very reliable source. So everybody should read this. And last, you can contribute to our machine learning Google Teachable machine. You can just enter a label for any image. And of course, you should be a safe distance when you do this. And you can press to take a photo. And this is because the more photos, the more data that our Google Teachable machine has, the smarter it will be. And then it says, thanks for contributing. Okay. And then we go back. So that is it for the app. And then now let's look at the Raspberry Pi. I'm going to share another screen. Okay. So here we have, I'm going to use the DHT11 sensor in Raspberry Pi. So here is the main Raspberry Pi, and it is connected to a breadboard. And the blue box that you see in the middle is the DHT11 sensor, and it has resistors and wires connected to it. And this is also connected to an MIT app. And you can find the temperature and humidity at any time. So this is very important and useful information for important information for firefighters. Okay. And then let me go back to the slides. So here is all of the AI that I used. And basically, in summary, I used AI to analyze historical fire data, damage levels, and other relevant factors using Google Teachable Machine. And anybody can track the spread and progress of a wildfire. Next, FlameFender enables communication and collaboration among firefighters, and it also enables communication and collaboration among firefighters and users. So the app provides educational resources and guides on fire safety, as you saw in the website. And then next, FlameFender has a comprehensive database of historical fire events and their characteristics. So basically, how Google Teachable Machine worked is it will basically sense. So for example, fire level 0 is just some smoke, and fire level 5 is very yellow and red. So Google Teachable Machine basically, mainly, it looks at the colors, and that's how it can detect what fire level it is. And next, the app is available on a variety of platforms. You can do any mobile device, including phones and tablets, desktops, anything. And lastly, we have expanded applications. So the drone does not need to only work for fire. It can also find lost people in the wild. It can also have tropical rainforest monitoring, animal population monitoring, and scientific expeditions in the distant areas, for example, the Antarctic. And lastly, I thank all the people who have supported me. Thank you. Do you have any questions?